Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain about Kodekloud free life for AWS Cloud. This is the day 26. So let me jump on the Kodekloud free lives for AWS Cloud. So we have already completed till day 25 and this is day 26. Okay, so let me show you what is the task for day 26. So day 26 is like configure an EC2 instance as a web server. Okay, so let me open this task. So basically we have to launch a one EC2 instance, and inside the EC2 instance we have to install the Nginx servers as a default server. So once the enterprise applications just considering the EC2 instance as a servers, then they have to launch a EC2 instance and install the servers, whatever the services they require. So it's make as a server. Okay, so in a main times you can say EC2 instance or you can say EC2 server, whatever you want, because we will install the Nginx servers. For Nginx servers we require to access that server. It 80 ports. So this is the task. As a reminder of the Noble DevOps team, your task is to create an EC2 instance with the following specifications. Instance name EC2 instance must be data center EC2. Okay. EMI Ubuntu EMI. Okay. And data script configure the instance to run the EC2 data script during its launch. This script. Okay, install the Nginx package, start the Nginx package and security group. Okay, so this is the another things. We have to install the like EC2 we have to install the Nginx servers during the EC2 launch. So this is the special requirement, right? Basically the every day what we are doing, we are just launching the EC2 instance. After the launch we have to connect the EC2 instance, then install all the service or servers. But in these times we have to install the Nginx during the EC2 launch. Okay, so let me show you how we can do. Okay, let me quickly launch. Let me quickly copy the EC2 instance name. Alright, taking the Ubuntu as per the task. Ubuntu available AMI. I'm taking latest. Alright, I'm just taking the sorry T2 micro instance type. Okay, without key pair. So if selecting the default for this one second. Okay, let me create a new EC2 instance and enable the HTTP traffic and SSH anywhere. Okay, this time I'm just creating a new security groups because we require to enable the SSH and HTTP traffics to access the SSH for connect the EC2 instance. Let me enable this HTTPS traffic as well. Okay, and for installing the Nginx server during the installations we have to go to the advanced details. and in the advanced details we have a user data. Okay, so in the user data we can just put the command whatever be required. Okay, so first suppose sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade hyphen y. Okay, once our package will be installed, it's not required to upgrade, we can fill it out hyphen y, we can put it out here. And to install the Nginx, sudo apt install Nginx hyphen y. Once the Nginx will install, then we have to enable systemctl. One second, sudo systemctl enable Nginx sudo systemctl start Nginx. Okay, so we have to actually just start the Nginx service, then enable. Okay, enable. All right, and that's it. So once the EC2 instance will be launched, meanwhile this command will also launch, so we can okay enable. All right, so we'll check if there is any issue. So let me quickly launch this one, and one more thing, we can enable the virtual firewall as well. Sudo apt enable ufw, not capital, ufw, and sudo apt enable ufw start. All right, so let me launch. All right, so this is launched. So it will take some time because it is also launching the EC2 instance, and inside the EC2 instance default commands also running, so we don't worry to install the Nginx server or other things, so we have to wait. Yeah, it's launch, it's in the running stage. All right, let me copy this one and let me check. Not https, I just trying to https. Okay, no worry, initializing right now. Meanwhile, let me check the security group, it is right configured or not. Yeah, perfect, it's enabled 2280 and 443 as per our demand. HTTPS port. Good. So let me wait for some time. Currently the traffic is not coming. Okay. Alright, status alarm. Let me wait for some time as well. Let me check the traffic again. From the public IP HTTP column 80. It's going to the connection refuge. Okay, let me quickly just connect this instance and check our Nginx is installed quickly or not. So this is the troubleshooting way. I have run the commands and the defaults. I am not able to access the Nginx because here should be show the Nginx servers default page, but it's not coming. So that's why I connected. So let me check sudo apt update here. Okay. All right. So let me quickly check. Oh, it's updating. It's taking time. All right. So sudo system. I'm just checking the Nginx servers. Systemctl status Nginx. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. Could not found. Okay. Sudo. Maybe the command was not executed properly. Sudo apt install Nginx. And why? We have given the right command, but I don't know why it was not. But no worries. For this way, you can check sudo systemctl start Nginx. Okay, we can enable Nginx first. Okay, let me cross verify the command and this one. Yeah, perfect. So this way you can just troubleshoot. Now our Nginx service is available, so this way we can check. So we have to launch and just install the Nginx. So we can see here the Nginx server page. So this way we can complete our task. Okay, so in this video the best part is that I also shows the default command and also show the troubleshooting if there is some missing step or something. Let me check the lab. Yeah, perfect. So we have completed till day 26. If you have any question, any confusion, do let me on the comment sections. I will answer theirs. So thank you for watching.